Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we'll see how to do BCD addition. This is our ninth lecture, and in this lecture, we'll see how to do BCD addition. In previously, in binary arithmetic, we have seen lots of mathematical operations, that is binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, binary division, then subtraction using one's complement, subtraction using two's complement. And in previous lecture we have also seen how to find out the BCD numbers, right? So all of you know now how to find out the BCD numbers, or how to decode the number in BCD, right? So binary coded decimal is your BCD number, and how to write it we have seen in last lecture. So once we'll revise how to find out the BCD numbers. Now all of you know that 0 to 9 numbers in 4-bit binary are same in BCD. So decimal 0 to 9 numbers represented in 4-bit binary is same in binary coded decimal also. So 0 to 9 numbers means 000 up to 10001 are equivalent or look like same in BCD numbers. BCD numbers, sorry. But after 9, 10, how will represent this in BCD? For this one will write 4-bit binary. For this 0 we will write 4-bit binary. So in BCD the decimal 10 is denoted as 0001 and 0000. Likewise, means for each digit we will write 4-bit binary number, that is nothing but BCD numbers. In last lecture we have seen how to represent the BCD numbers. So representing each digit in decimal number in 4-bit binary is nothing but your BCD numbers. Now we'll see how to do the BCD addition in our today's lecture. So there are some also rules like one's complement and two's complement. What are that rule? We'll see in our slide. So these are the some rules you can see on your screen. So BCD addition is performed by individual adding the corresponding digit in decimal number. So generally BCD is given in the decimal format initially. So first, what is the procedure? We have to convert this number, BCD number, into 4-bit binary. Then second rule is after addition we have to apply binary addition rule initially. After addition, if sum is equal to or less than 9, then it is considered as a valid BCD number. This is the second rule. If sum is greater than 9, then consider invalid BCD number and add 6 to the sum. While adding, if carry is generated but sum is less than 9, then that is also invalid BCD number. If carry is not generated and sum is less than 9, then and then only it is a valid BCD number. So the cases are given in this chart also. See the first rule. If sum is less than 9 and carry is equal to 0, answer is correct. No correction is required. Answer is correct means we'll get valid BCD number. If sum is less than 9 and carry is equals to 1, if sum is less than 9, carry is equal to 1, we have to add 6 to the sum. We have to add 6 into the sum means we have to take 4-bit binary of 6 also, because we are representing all the numbers in 4-bit binary while doing the calculations. So if there is invalid BCD will come in your answer, you have to add 6 means binary of 6, that is 0110 to the sum, and then we'll get correct answer, means valid BCD. Third case, if sum is greater than 9 but carry is 0, then also you have to add 6, that means 0110 into your answer, because sum is greater than 9 is also invalid BCD. To correct it, we have to add 6, that means 0110 to the answer to get the correct answer. So what are the cases for invalid BCD? If sum is less than 9 and carry is equals to 1, then you will get invalid BCD. If sum is greater than 9, carry is equals to 0, then you will get invalid BCD. So in both the cases you have to add 6, that means 0110 4-bit binary to the answer, right? Then and then only you will get a valid BCD number in your addition, right? So these are the rules for BCD addition. So some BCD additions are performed over here. So see 57 and 26. 57, 26 we have to add. Now we'll see how to do this BCD addition, right? 57 and 26. First perform the BCD addition like conventional addition you are doing. That means 7 plus 6 is 13, carry is 1, 5 plus 2 7, carry is equals to 1, 83. So your expected answer is will be 83 after addition, right? And in BCD it will look like 4-bit for each decimal number. So first we'll write these numbers into 4-bit binary. Now 57 means I will write 4-bit binary first for 5, that is 0100. For 7, 0111, plus 26 for 2, I will write 0010. For 6, 0110. Now we'll perform the addition by applying binary addition rule. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 sum 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. Now you can see here sum is greater than 9, right? Sum is greater than 9, so you have to add you have to add 006 here, because it is illegal BCD. Now final, here carry is not generated, means here 0, we can consider final carry is 0. That means this is also invalid, this is also invalid, right? So we have to add 6 to the 6 in both the sides, right? Sorry, here I have taken 0 mistakenly. Here 5 is represented like 0101, so here 1 will come, sorry, my mistake. So final answer is 01111110. Now you can consider this is greater than 9, right? And here sum is less than 9 but carry 0 generated. So we have to follow the rule. We have to add 6 in both sides, right? So this is also invalid case, this is also invalid case, right? This is a last case, that means sum is less than 9 but carry is 0. Here sum is greater than 9, so you have to add 6 into both the 4-bit binary. So we'll add 6 here. Here you can write sum is less than 9, so it is invalid BCD. Invalid BCD. Here sum is greater than 9. Here sum is less than 9 but carry is 0. So both the BCDs are invalid and we will add 6 to it. So this is the binary 6 that I have added both the side. Now we'll perform the binary addition. We'll apply binary addition rules. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 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 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Now here you can see that invalid BCD also generated here. So what we have done, we have added 6 here. Sorry, here we have to take 0 0. That means we'll get 0 0 over here. Sorry. So final answer, this is 8 and this is 3. So it will look like 83. No need to add 6 here because it is less than 9. So only add 6 here. So you will get result as a 83. Means what we have done, once again we'll see. Here some mistake is happened. I will tell you once again. Here the result was 0 triple 1 and here result was 1101. So we'll add 6 over here only. We'll keep here zeros only because it is less than 9. We'll add 6 here only. So 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, here 0 plus 0 0, here 1 plus 1 0 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1. So this is the decimal 8, this is decimal 3. No need to add 6 over here. Mistakenly I have written there, but the result is coming correct after adding 6 over here only. No need to add 6 here because here sum is less than 9. So no need to add 6 here, right? We have added 6 only here because here sum is greater than 9, right? So this is the answer 83 which you are expected as a decimal. So here 8 is come in 4-bit binary, 3 has come in 4-bit binary. So both the results has come in 4-bit binary. That's why our answer is correct in BCD addition, right? So these are the some examples given for your practice. Solve it in your notebook. Now we'll see some another examples for BCD addition, so that will help you to understood your concepts properly. So we'll keep this slide in front of you, so you can check your conditions while solving the examples, right? So we'll see some another example, simple example we'll see first. So first example, 3 plus 4 we'll see. So 3 plus 4 in decimal result is 7. So we have to prove this result with our BCD addition. So what we'll do first, we'll convert this number into 4-bit binary. So 4-bit binary of 3 is 0011 and 4-bit binary of 4 is 0100. So we perform the addition. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now this is the result which is less than 9. Less than 9 and carry is 0. That means first case carry 0 and sum is also less than 9. So you can see in slide also the answer is valid BCD. Answer is valid BCD and it is correct. So no need to do the correction. This is in your BCD, which is equivalent to decimal in 7. So this is the first case. We have seen the problem according to first case. Right. Now we'll see the next example. 9 plus 8. So in decimal, the answer should be 9 plus 8, answer should be 17. So we'll see it is coming with BCD addition or not. We'll check this. So 9 plus 8, your answer should be 17. So first convert this 9 into 4-bit binary. Then plus, we have to take this 8 with 4-bit binary. Do the addition. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So sum 0, carry 1. That means second case, answer is less than 9 and carry is equals to 1. See on screen in slide, sum is less than 9, carry is equals to 1. You need correction because it is invalid BCD. It is invalid BCD. So add 6 to it. Add 6 here. Here put 3 zeros to represent this number in 4-bit binary also. Here no need to add 6. Only add here 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Here write zeros, 1 plus 0, 1 and remaining zeros as it is, right? So this is your 1 decimal 1 and this is your 7, right? So your answer is equivalent to decimal 17. That means answer is correct. So we have applied second rule here. That means sum is less than 9 and carry is equals to 1. So we have added 6 here only, right? So after adding 6, we got the correct answer. That means 70 in decimal. Now we'll see another example for practice. That is 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. The result we are expecting is 14. We'll check is it coming with BCD addition or not. So first we'll take 4 binary of 6. We'll add 4-bit 8 in 6. That means 1 triple 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Now you can see that this is a greater than 9. Sum is greater than 9. Carry is 0. So this is the third case. Sum is greater than 9. Carry is 0. You need to add 6 into the final answer to make it correct BCD or valid BCD. So add 6 here. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. You can add 3 zeros here to make complete group of 4-bit binary. So this is your 1, this is your 4. That means it is equivalent to 14 decimal. That means we are getting correct answer with the help of BCD addition also. So this is your third case rule we have applied it here to get correct BCD answer. Now we'll see another example for practice. We'll take 67. sorry, decimal, into that we will add 23. So 67 plus 23, result should be 19 in decimal. So we'll prove this result with BCD addition. So we have to represent 67 and 23 into BCD first. So 67 in BCD 0 1 1 0 6, I have represented in 4-bit binary. Then 7 0 1 1 1 plus 2 0 0 1 0 and 3 is 0 0 1 1. So we'll do the addition. We'll apply the binary addition rule. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 0 1. Now observe result carefully. You will see this side is greater than 9 and carry is 0. So you have to add 6 here. No need to add here. So here we are adding 6 to make it valid BCD. 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Here 1 will come, 1 plus 0. Here 0 0 1 as it is. So this is equivalent to 9 and this is equivalent to 0. That means your answer is 19 in BCD. So we are getting a correct answer with the help of BCD addition also. Now we'll see another example so that you will help to understand how to perform the BCD addition. 75 plus 36. The answer should be 111 in BCD, sorry, in decimal. So we'll prove this 111 result with BCD addition. So represent this 75 in 4-bit binary first. 0 1 1 is 7 and 5 is 0 1 0 1 plus 36. So 3 is 0 0 1 1 and 6 is 0 1 1 0. So we'll add it. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now we can see in both sides the results are greater than 9. So we have to add 6 to both sides. This is also greater than 9. This is also greater than 9. So we'll add 6 in both sides. So we'll check now. We'll perform binary addition. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 1 sum carry 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Now you can add 3 zeros here to make it 4-bit binary. So this is decimal 1, this is decimal 1, this is decimal 1. So we'll get 111 in BCD. That means our answer is correct. So these are the examples. Now we'll see one another example. That is 709 plus 698. So answer should be 1407 in decimal. So we'll prove it with the help of BCD addition. So you have to represent each digit in 4-bit binary. So for 7 it is 0111. For 0 it is 4 times 0. For 9 it is 1001. For 6 it is 0110. For 9 it is 1001. For 8 it is 1000. Now you have to perform the addition, binary addition. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 sum 1 carry 0, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Now you can see here sum is less than 9, but carry is generated here. That means second case. You can see on your screen the slide. In slide you can see second rule is happened here. That means sum is less than 9 but carry is generated. So you have to add 6 here also. Now you can see here sum is greater than 9. Sum is greater than 9, carry is generated. So you have to add 6 over here because it is also invalid BCD. Here you can also find sum is greater than 9, carry is 0. That means third. So you have to add 6 into this 3 result because these 3 all are invalid BCD, right? So add 6 in all result, right? So we'll perform binary addition once again. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, here 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, here 1 will come, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. So here carry is left. You can add 3 zeros to make it 4-bit binary. So now this is equivalent to 1, this is equivalent to 4, this is equivalent to 0, and this is equivalent to 7. That means your answer is correct, 1407 in BCD. So these are the BCD additions. Once again go through rules properly, see what will happen. Now here you can write a comment. Here first condition comes, sum is less than 9 but carry is 0. So this is invalid BCD. You have to add 6 here, right? Now this is greater than 9, right? And carry is 0. So this is also invalid BCD. This is greater than 9. So this is also invalid BCD. That's why we have added 6 into each 4-bit. So finally we'll get correct answer. So the binary rules, BCD addition rules are given on your screen. Go through that rule and then make the BCD addition, perform the BCD addition. So here one example is given for your reference in slide. Here how invalid BCD is performed is shown in this slide. Now these are the 4 examples given for your practice. Solve these examples in your notebook. These are the some references given, useful links in which you will also see how to do the BCD additions. Now once again revise all the things, that is binary addition, binary subtraction, multiplication, division. See the lectures, lecture links are available to you. See that lectures again and again and practice more number of sums. Then and then only you will get how to perform it. Solve each exercises which I have given in presentation. Solve that exercises regularly in your notebook. Perform the addition. Now one doubt was there. One student has asked me how to do the conversion of fractional number and integer number. So I have explained how to do the conversion for integer number and fractional number. See the videos carefully. If the number is given like 1576 point, suppose 08, right? If such number is given, then pick this number, follow the integer rule, integer number conversion rule, and pick this number separately. Means for this number you have to divide, right? Divide with the number, which number, in which number system you have to convert it. The base of that number system you have to take for division, and for this you have to multiply with the number, the base of the number system which we have to convert this number into that number system, right? So if I want to convert this number system into octal number system, right? So pick this number, do the division with 8, right? Find out the answer, right? And for this part take 0.08, multiplied it with 8, find out the answer, and after that combine these two answers, right? That means this is a fractional part, this is a integer part. Whatever result you have getting here, write this number first and then put fractional point and write the result of this part after fractional point. So this is the method of doing the conversion of numbers like this. So then don't get confused, read the rules properly, see the lecture videos properly. Don't do the unnecessary message to me. I don't have to read your personal messages and don't have time to give the answers at every time. Ask me your doubts in between 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. only. Don't do the message afterwards. After 4:30 don't do any personal messages, right? Ask your doubt between 9:30 am to 4:30 p.m. only, right? And see the rules properly, see the videos properly. Everything is explained there. No need to do the personal messages every time, right? So follow the rules. Do your exercise regularly in your notebook. I will call you anytime in college to check your notebooks, right? So go through video, watch this and perform this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.